Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you exercise first B. So first question is, if x is equal to 4, x value is given, x is equal to 4, you have to find the value of 5x. First part is 5x value we have to find. So between 5 and x no sign is coming, so we will write 5 multiply x. Between these two things no sign is there, that's why we will take multiply sign. Now 5 multiply, in place of x we have to put x value is 4, so 5 into 4, answer is 20. See another part number second, minus 2x. You have to find the value of minus 2x. So between minus 2 and x no sign is there, that's why we will take multiply sign between minus 2 and x. So between minus 2 and x I had put here multiply sign. Now minus 2 multiply x value is 4. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. First of all we will multiply the sign, minus sign, and in this 4 minus is not there, that means we have to take here plus sign. Minus multiply plus, minus plus minus, 2 multiply 4 is 8. So final answer of this second part is minus 8. Now see part number 4, 1 upon 2x plus 3. So we have to find the value of 1 upon 2x plus 3. Between 1 upon 2 and x plus and minus nothing is there, so between 1 upon 2 and x you have to put multiply sign. After that it is written plus 3, this we will write as it is. Now 1 upon 2 multiply x value is 4, so we will put here 4 plus 3. Now in this step you have to do one thing, this 2 is in the denominator and 4 is in the numerator, and between these two things multiply sign is there, so we will cancel these two with a table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Now 1 multiply 2, answer is 2 plus 3. On adding these two we will get 5. So this is your final answer of part number 4. So like this you have to do question number first. Now see question number second. Second question is, a is equal to minus 2. Value of a is given. Now in the first part you have to find the value of 2a plus 4. So 2a plus 4 value you have to find. So first of all what you have to do, between 2 and a we have to take multiply sign, then plus 4 we will write as it is. Now in place of a we have to put the value of a. 2 multiply a value is minus 2, minus is there, that's why we will take here in the bracket. Now plus 4 we will write as it is. Now we have to multiply these two things. So first of all we will multiply sign. 2 sign on the left hand you will check. On the left hand of 2 plus and minus nothing is there, that's why here 2 sign we will take plus. On the left hand of this 2 minus sign is there. Plus multiply minus will be minus. 2 into 2 4. This plus 4 we have to write as it is. First of all what we have to do, we have to multiply these two things. On multiplying these two we will get minus 4. This plus 4 we have to write as it is. Now minus plus minus, so we will subtract these two. 4 minus 4, answer will be 0. So final answer of this first part is 0. Now see another part number third part is, find the value of a square plus 1. So first of all a square we will write as a multiply a square means a multiply a, 2 times we have to multiply a, plus 1 we have to write as it is. Now we will put the value of a value is minus 2, multiply again a value we will put minus 2. Here we will take bracket because multiply and minus together they are written, that's why we will take bracket. plus 1 we have to write as it is. Now we will multiply these two terms first we have to multiply, so we will multiply sign. Minus multiply minus is plus, 2 multiply 2 4, this plus 1 we will write as it is. Now 4 plus 1, final answer is 5. So this is your final answer of part number 3rd. Now part number 4th. Fourth part is 4 minus a square. Now what you have to do? 4 you have to write as it is. Minus also you have to write as it is. A square we will write as a multiply a, as we had done here. A square equal to a multiply a. Same way we will do here also. A square we will write as a multiply a. Now 4 minus a value is minus 2, multiply a value again we will put minus 2. Here 2 minus sign are coming together, so we have to write this minus 2 in the bracket. Here also multiply and minus sign are coming together, so here also we have to take bracket. Now first of all you have to multiply, because board mass, according to board mass we have to multiply first. So these two terms we will multiply as we had done here. First of all we had done multiplication, here also, here also. In the same way we will do multiplication here also. So 4 we will write as it is, 4 we will write as it is, minus sign also we will write as it is. Now we have to multiply these two things. So first of all we will multiply sign. Minus multiply minus, so minus minus plus, 2 multiply 2 will be 4. Now 2 sign are coming together, so we will take here bracket. Next step, 4 we will write as it is, minus and plus, bracket is coming now, so we have to multiply these two sign. Minus multiply plus, so minus plus minus 4. This 4 we will write as it is. 4 minus 4, final answer is 0. So like this you have to do question number 2nd. Now see question number 3rd. P is equal to 5. P value is given. Then find the value of the following polynomials. Part number 2nd. Second part is 4 plus 3p minus p square. So first of all what you will do? P square we will change. We will write as p multiply p. Minus sign we will write as it is. 4 also we will write as it is. Plus, between 3 and p nothing is there, so we will put multiply sign. 3 multiply p. Now in the next step you have to put the value of p. 4 you will write as it is, plus 3 multiply p. In place of p you will take 5, minus p value is 5, so 5 multiply 5. Now you have to use board mass. First of all you have to multiply these two terms. 3 into 5, 15. Minus sign as it is, 5 into 5, 25. And this 4 we will write as it is, plus also we will write as it is. Now multiplication is over. Now in the next step, 4 plus 15, 19. Minus 25 we will write as it is. Now this is plus and this is minus. Plus and minus. So you will subtract these two. On subtracting these two we will get 6. But you have to put the sign of greater number. 19 and 25. Which one is greater? 25 is greater. So minus sign we will write here in the answer. So answer of second part is minus 6. Now see another part. Part number 4th. Fourth part is p cube minus 4p square plus p. So first of all what you have to do? P cube we will change it. We will write as p multiply p. 3 times we have to multiply because it is p cube, minus 4. After 4 no sign is there, so we have to put multiply sign. P square we will write as p multiply p. Plus p we have to write as it is. Now we have to put the value of p. P value is 5. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 minus 4 multiply in place of p 5 multiply in place of p 5 plus here also we will take 5. Now according to board mass, first of all we have to multiply. 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125 minus 5 4 ja 20, 25 ja 100. This plus 5 we have to write as it is. Now multiplication is over. What you have to do? 125 minus 100 you will do. Answer will be 25. Plus 5 you have to write as it is. 25 plus 5 answer is 30. So final answer of this fourth part is 30. So like this you have to do question number 3rd as well as question number 4th also. Now see question number 5th. Fifth question. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, x 1 and y 2. These two values are given. After that it is given, he asked in the question, find the value of 3x plus 4y. First part is 3x plus 4y. So what you have to do? Between 3 and x we have to put multiply sign because no sign is there between two things. That's why we have to take multiply sign. Plus 4y means 4 multiply y. Now we have to put the value of x and y. X is 1, so here we will write 3 multiply 1 plus y is 2, so here we will write 4 multiply 2. 3 into 1 will become 3 plus 4 into 2 will become 8 and 3 plus 8 is 11. So final answer of first part is 11. Now see part number 4th. Fourth part is x plus 5y minus 6. You have to find the value of x plus 5y minus 6. So first of all what you will do? X you have to write as it is plus 5 and y. Between 5 and y we have to take multiply sign minus 6. We have to write as it is. Now in the next step we have to put the value of x and y. X is 1. So here we will put 1 plus 5 multiply y. Y value is 2. Minus 6 we will write as it is. According to board mass we have to do multiplication. So first of all we will multiply. 1 we have to write as it is plus 5 into 2 10 minus 6 we have to write as it is. 1 plus 10 answer is 11 minus 6 and 11 minus 6 answer is 5. So final answer of part number 4th is 5. So like this you have to do question number 5th. So now rest of the questions I will explain you in the next video. So you all have to finish up to question number 5th.